Welcome to our kitchen. Today we're baking up a cozy and comforting dish that's perfect for breakfast or a nutritious snack. Get ready for the scrumptious everyday baked oatmeal. For this recipe, you'll need rolled oats, your choice of milk, maple syrup, cinnamon, and your favorite fruits and nuts for topping. This dish is a delightful way to start your day with warmth and flavor. Start by mixing your dry ingredients, then blend in the wet ingredients to create a rich, flavorful mixture. Pour it into a baking dish, and don't forget to sprinkle it with your chosen fruits and nuts for that extra touch of sweetness and crunch. Bake until the top is golden and the edges are slightly crispy. This not only fills your kitchen with an irresistible aroma, but also ensures each bite is perfectly textured. Serve it warm, straight from the oven, or enjoy it cold as a quick snack throughout the week. It's versatile and can be customized with various toppings like yogurt or extra fresh fruit. There you have it, a simple yet delightful everyday baked oatmeal that's sure to please anyone at your table. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty recipes.